Hi everybody, Jeremy here from Video the Studio, and today I'm going to share with you how to flip horizontally and vertically any footage or image in Davinci Resolve. So let's check it out. Alright, so in Davinci Resolve right now we're on the edit page, and here I have a piece of footage in my timeline, and I would like to just flip it horizontally and vertically. I can do that very easily by just selecting it, going over to my inspector, and here down in video we have an option called flip, and if you click it, it's just gonna flip it here horizontally, and if you click it back, it's just gonna revert that to the original. So here you can just do that horizontally, and then you can just do it as well vertically. So it's the same principle here. If you click once, it just flip it vertically, and then if you click back, it just bring it back to original. And that's pretty much it. I'm just making this quick video because someone asked in the comment of a previous one. Please let me know in the comment what kind of video you would like to see next. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one. Bye. Speed up your workflow and create better videos using the pack available on our website, including titles, transition, and templates, but only for Davinci Resolve. Get started today by downloading our free starter pack containing a compilation of 20 titles curated from our library. Link in the description below or at videodjstudio.com.